In this example, some of the items in the price list do not have the relating short description. But they all have a full, extended description. So if the short description view is active, the item descriptions will be empty when viewing the estimate document. Now, automatically generate the item short descriptions for an entire selection of items. Access the price list editor. Select all items and then access the Edit Selected Block option. Select the checkbox to generate the short description from the extended description. Choose whether to change the current short descriptions or not. The short description is made up of the first and last 60 characters with a series of dots in between. If the extended description is less than 120 characters, the short description is copied from the extended one.